Hi, my name's Kira. My skin is falling off. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am so excited. Alright, so I'm going to be doing these unboxings a little bit differently from now on. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to come on here with the look I created so you guys can see that I used products from the box and how I use them. And I'll go ahead and put a timestamp above, so if you guys are interested in try-on styles, you guys can watch the try-on style after I show you all the products. So if you guys are just interested in the products, I've got that right in the beginning. I'm going to do them this way from now on just because I think people would like that better than me coming on with a bare face, showing you the products, and then doing the try-on right after. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go over all the items in the box. It is beautiful, you guys. So the theme this month is La Vie and Rose. So let's start off with the one thing I did not unfortunately get to try on. So Boxycharm sent me an email saying that they had sent me the wrong palette by accident. So this is worth $45, but it's beautiful. The next thing in the box is MODA brushes, powder, and soft glow kit. And this is worth $29.99. So let's just round that up to $30. And it comes with a powder brush. Oh, it's so soft, so beautiful. And then it came with this brush, which, oh my gosh, you guys, this is my absolute new favorite brush. It was amazing. They have these really pretty rose handles. They're very sleek. These feel very nice in your hand, and they feel very luxurious. Okay, the next product is the iconic eyebrow cushion, and this is worth $40. And you guys, I am in love with this. This was beautiful. I did not realize I needed another brow product until I found this. So, I mean, obviously it's a packaging that gets dirty easily, but inside it has this super cool little pull-out wand here that like flips open, and then it has this little door here that opens up, and there's the brow product. And as you can see, it is a cushion and a lot disperses. I hope this lasts a long time because this was beautiful. The next thing is Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I did use this, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. And this is worth $34. Alright, the next item is the Lily Lashes, and they are exclusive Faux Mink Gaia lashes. So they're just supposed to add length, drama, and volume. And if you guys can see, I feel like that's a lot of length. Yeah, and drama. Very dramatic. And these are worth $24.99. We're just going to round that up to $25. The next product is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. And this is, wow, this is $48. And y'all, this is hefty. This is very heavy. I feel like it's made out of like ceramic or something. And I did try this on, and I did notice that normally I have a lot more smile lines here with my L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and this says it's supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles, and that combined with this mask, which is also supposed to help fine lines and wrinkles, I do not have as harsh of smile lines as I normally do, and that's amazing. The next product is, ooh, you guys, look at this color. It probably was just all over my teeth, but if you guys saw that, feel free to make fun of me in the comments. This color is stunning. I've never actually tried a Becca lipstick. This was so pigmented. I was kind of like, whoa. Whoa. It is a cream, so it does kind of have a cream finish. I feel this will probably transfer off on a lot of stuff, so you might need to reapply this frequently throughout the day, but this is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and this is in the color Scarlet, and this is $24, and I love it. The next thing is the Morphe 15 Shade Artistry Palette, and that is worth $16. This is so like nice. It feels really luxurious. It's very heavy and it feels just very like weighty. So is that a word? It's a word now. And I am actually super excited. I was like, oh my gosh, please don't send me a neutral palette. Please don't send, but you know what, you guys? It is a neutral palette, but this is a cool tone neutral palette, and it's got some pinks, and it's Brunch Babe. I was like, yes! I was so excited. This color right here, you guys, is so intense. Like, look at that. Oh, it was beautiful. I went ahead and did some swatches for the palette, and I figured out afterwards that using the shimmers with your finger works so much better than using them with an actual brush. So just keep that in mind. The mattes were fine, but the shimmers I found worked a million times better if you used it with your finger. The next one is Deborah Lippmann, Oh Donna, and Modern Love, and it's just two beautiful little tiny nail polishes. I actually put one color on each hand so you guys can see, although they're both destroyed by now, so I apologize. So this one is Modern Love, and it's on my hands. Sorry for my terrible application and also makeup. And this one is Oh Donna, and this one is like really bad because my daughter decided to touch my hands and ruin it. So I am not a nail art channel for a reason. And these are worth $20. And the last thing in the box is the Boxycharm Traincase, and this is worth $20. And this is kind of like a holographic rose gold. It's actually really nice. Like, I feel like this is something I'll definitely take with me when I travel. I like this. It's nice. All right, you guys, this Boxyluxe is $50, and it comes every 3 months, and the grand total for this box is $302. So that is a grand total savings of $252. That's ridiculous. So that's all the products. So if you guys want to stay and see me create this look, then just keep watching. Alright, you guys, I am starting with the Wanderer Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So we're going to try this. It says to wait 10 to 15 minutes. This is supposed to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and hyperpigmentation and have more vibrant looking skin. It says it also dries quickly and peels away easily, leaving you with smoother, clearer, and brighter skin. I bet you that was Krystal. It also says you can spot treat around the nose or T-zone area for this. Alright, so I'm going to do this, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then peel it off for you guys. Ooh, it has like a pearlescent finish. It's kind of pretty, y'all. Don't make fun of my eyebrows, by the way. And again. Oh, actually, that one's Nessa. Hi, Nessa. Wow, this feels like glue. Oops, I got it in my eyebrows. Well, I mean, I don't have any anyways, but the eyebrows I do have, it's stuck in there now. So let's put 15 minutes on the clock, and ooh, it's exactly 4. Perfect. So I'm gonna go watch The Bachelor. I'll be back. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yes, that is terrifying. Okay, let's peel off this. This is oh, it doesn't hurt at all. That's actually really easy to peel off. Okay, well that's a little bit more sensitive. Hi. My name's Kira. My skin is falling off. Ah, there we go. Okay. Does my skin look brighter? Does it look more evenly toned? Do my pores look smaller? I didn't have pores to begin with because my skin is so dry. But moving on, we're moving on to the It Confidence in a Cream for all skin types. This is the Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. So let me use this first.
Okay, mighty fine. Just wanted to wave my hand and say you're sounding real good this afternoon. Love and peace to you and the super fine family. Tell them old Jack in the Box said howdy, howdy, and hello. Hound dog, ain't nobody but Jack in the Box, and I'm reading the mail.
Alright, so this is supposed to have an anti-aging armor rejuvenating concentrate that is activated upon contact to immerse your skin in moisture, restore visible radiance, reduce the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improve the look of firmness. So, if it's supposed to do that immediately, I will see how it works after it's been sitting on my skin for just a minute. Ah! Go away! That was not nice. I am going to try and do my brows like I normally do. This actually comes with a super cute kind of little double-ended brow spoolie slash wand. So I'm going to be using this. This is what it looks like. I think I'll do the lighter ones for the inner part and then the darker ones as like more of the hair and tail end. By the way, my eyes are pink because I wore a pink eyeshadow, and pinks normally stain my lids, so don't mind that. This is just about brows right now. Alright, so I really like this brush. I actually trimmed it to be a little bit, you know, smaller. And it does make really nice, like, even hair strokes. So I am putting the lighter shade in the front, and now I'm gonna start the darker shade. You guys. Okay, okay, so normally I use ABH Dip Brow, but that does not create the thin hair-like strokes because this is so like liquidy and thin of a formula. You guys, I think I just found a new holy grail product because yes. Oh my god, they look so good. Okay, if you guys want a brow tutorial later on, I'm gonna be using this. So this is worth the entire box. I am speechless. I'm done. I'm done. Thank you, Boxycharm. I love you so much. I have carved out this brow, you guys. I love it. So let's go ahead and do an eyeshadow look. Alright, you guys, I have the eye look done, I have the eyelashes on, I have the eyebrows done, so now we move on to these brushes, and I am going to use the blush brush just because I'm not going to apply any powder to my look today. I'm not really going anywhere, it's nighttime now, so I'm just gonna, you know, take my makeup off and go take a bath after this anyways. Okay, so I am going to use this though. I love this. This reminds me of my absolute favorite brush ever, the JH06, her Everything brush. It's very similar. It's just a little bit skinnier. I'm just gonna use this as like a blusher. I'm not putting on highlight or anything, you guys. Oh, yes. Oh my god. This is easily gonna be a new favorite. This is perfect. And this is even perfect for just the lightest amount of powders. Oh my god, I love you. I love it. Wow, I think I just found another new favorite. I mean, Boxyluxe, you go this month. Yes. Okay, the very last thing left is this lipstick by Becca, and it is in the color Scarlet, and you guys, oh yes. Did you guys like that? That was, I can sing. I love this color. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's like an orangey brick red. Okay, okay. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's where we want lipstick. Holy pigment? I mean, oh my god. I have found so many favorites. Oh my god, this box is so good. This box is so good. Okay, that is all I have. So if you guys also got this box, let me know because it's so exciting and gorgeous this month, you guys. That's all I have. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! But also, you can see everything. And these are worth 20, a timestamp of so without further ado, I cannot talk. I need coffee. It's 5:50 at night. So without further, what was that? Further? And the last thing in